How to cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily cancel your Amazon Prime Video membership. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Prime application. You can find the Prime Video application on your Google Play Store or App Store as well. And if you already have the app, make sure that you have the latest version installed. Now, once you open up the app, make sure that you are logged into the account of which you want to cancel the membership. And once you land on the home page, you will have your navigation bar at the bottom, like your home, your downloads, your search bar, and you will see this My Stuff option. Just tap on it to head over to your profile. And if you want to switch profiles, you can tap on the top to switch profile and edit your profile, but I'm just going to continue with this one. You can just tap on the gear icon to open your settings now. On your settings menu, you will find different options like parental controls, register devices, clear video search history, and then my account. Just tap on it. Then you'll see your manage account option. So go ahead and open this one. And once you tap on manage account, another page will open up, and here you will have an option to edit your details on Amazon. And under that you'll find your membership. So if you have an active membership here, you'll have an option to edit it. And once you tap on that, you will have an option to cancel your membership. So just follow the on-screen prompt, just tap on cancel, and you should be able to cancel your membership. And it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.